Sure that the brake locks in the correct rotation. On the fifth wheel side, the brakes lock anti-clockwise. On the other side, they rotate anti-clockwise. So the sticker indicates the direction of rotation for the locking of the brake. So for this one, we need to turn it over and then insert into the caster housing.
And then you just need to line it up?
Yeah, and then if the thread doesn't line up with the hole, you'll need to adjust it to do so. Without breaking the link here.
And then ready for screwing, yeah?
And then screw, refit and secure the screw. Okay.
Yep.
Once the caster's been refitted, check the brake is working properly and that the caster is locked on both the pivot and the turning.